Munini wa rais aja nthigurune ya Kenya niwe Profesa Kithure Kîndikî nethiritwe agitirimana na rais wa Botswana niwe Dumabako aria bairi baba bethiritwe bakiaririria undugu bwa nthiguru ijicio ijiri mono kiri gukiriria mantu jegie biashara, uchumi na kinya utalii.
We've seen the disruptive nature of climate change effects in terms of huge humanitarian crisis in the form of floods, or devastating floods, or even prolonged famine, decimation of livestock and wildlife, the displacement of populations, disruption of livelihoods, traditional livelihoods like around agriculture. So we are looking at, even as we look at complex security threats like terrorism and organized crime, climate change is no longer, in the view of President Ruto, it's no longer a food security, agriculture, humanitarian matter. It is it's a national security, international security problem which can pose even existential threats. We could just have our countries completely disrupted.
She has been giving you accurate briefs about the country, about the challenges, about the possible solutions, and how we can work together. And it now remains for us to get down to doing what has to be done in the shortest possible time, so that we don't just operate at the level of rhetoric. As I said, I spoke with him.